Ever wondered what makes your computer run? What's the magic behind every click, every command, and every program execution? The answer lies in a tiny piece of hardware known as the computer processor, or the CPU, the central processing unit. This is the brain of the computer, the maestro that orchestrates the symphony of operations taking place within the system. Firstly, a computer processor houses the arithmetic and logic unit, or the ALU. This is where all the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical comparisons happen. It's like the mathematical genius in the processor family, tirelessly crunching numbers and making logical deductions. Next, there's the control unit. Think of it as the conductor of the orchestra, managing the execution of instructions and coordinating the flow of data within the processor and between other hardware components. It's the one ensuring that every piece of data arrives at the right place at the right time. Then we have the clock speed. This is measured in gigahertz, and it represents the number of cycles a processor can execute per second. It's like the processor's heartbeat. The faster the heartbeat, the faster the processing. Now, let's talk about cores. A processor can have multiple cores, each capable of handling its own set of tasks simultaneously. This means that a multi-core processor can juggle multiple tasks at once, enhancing multitasking and parallel processing capabilities. Moving on, there's the cache memory. The processor typically has various levels of cache memory to store frequently used data for quick access. It's like the processor's short-term memory, holding on to frequently used information for easy access. Finally, we have the instruction set. This is the set of instructions the processor can execute. It's often categorized as reduced instruction set computing or complex instruction set computing. It's like the processor's language, the commands it understands and can execute. Some common processor manufacturers that you might have heard of include Intel and AMD. Their processors are found in a variety of computing devices, from desktops and laptops to servers and mobile devices. To recap, a computer's processor, or CPU, is its brain. It's made up of several parts, including the ALU for arithmetic and logic, the control unit for managing execution, the clock speed indicating its pace, cores for multitasking, cache memory for quick data access, and an instruction set that it understands and executes. The performance of the processor significantly influences the overall speed and capabilities of a computer system. So the next time your computer swiftly responds to your commands, remember the tiny, powerful brain inside it, working tirelessly to make it all happen. The computer processor, the unsung hero of the digital age.